Hi guys, so what you wanna do is to fix the Snapchat save in chat problem. It's very simple. Go to the settings and then go to the wireless and networks as you can see right here. Go to the airplane mode right here and then enable it for 10 seconds exactly, and after that disable it, and then go back to the home page on your phone and now open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar and search for Snapchat and then update it right here. You will find an update option, or what you have to do is click on update and the Snapchat is gonna be updated and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.